Hey everybody, it's me Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Feels like deja vu. I literally just filmed last week's Make It Monday, but because I'm in Germany, I couldn't film while I'm in Germany my Make It Monday. I had to do it in advance. So here we are, back again. For you, it's been a week. For me, it's been 10 minutes. And just like last week, to keep it easy peasy simple, I am going to take one manufacturer and just put a huge discount on their product line in hopes that it will make your heart happy. And I won't be doing a make today, but when I get back from Germany, we will get back to our normal Make It Mondays where I do make something for you. We do make something with the one bundle that we have for $19.99. This past 2 weeks, nope, we just picked one manufacturer each week, gave you a great discount, and that way it was easy peasy for me and I could get this filmed so quick because now I have Monday, Make It Mondays. I have Take Two Tuesdays at 5 p.m. On Thursdays, I have New For You Thursdays, and then Saturday mornings, I have Saturday with Stacy. So oodles to keep going. My laundry list keeps getting longer, but I suppose that's a good thing because if I was ever actually done, what would I do with my time? They say if you want something done, give it to a busy person. Hello. So hopefully I'm already in Germany. Yes, I'm already in Germany. So hopefully you have been watching my lives from Germany, from Creative World. Sometimes I'll be wearing my Sizzix hat or my Jacquard hat, and I'll be a licensed designer, Stacy. And sometimes I'll be Scrapbooking Made Simple, Stacy, taking you into booths going, oh my gosh, look at what I found. So a little bit of both. This is the first time I'm ever doing this. I've never been a licensed designer before. So all of this is going to be new for me. And my son James is going, who is a licensed designer for Couture Creations. And he will also be at the Find It Trading booth demoing his product. So it's like mom and son. We're literally four booths away from each other. And I think that's so totally cool. Anyway, today is Make It Monday. I have Studio Light for you. And it's already online, assuming that I remember to do that. I'm hoping I'm not clicking the items right now, but I could be. It's 2 o'clock in the morning in Germany. So I have Studio Light for you at a marvelous savings, a wonderful savings. And yes, if you follow the terms and conditions in the Make It Monday category, because that's where you will find this. If you go look for Studio Light in a Studio Light category, it will not be there. This is part of Make It Monday. So if you just follow the terms and conditions in the Make It Monday category and you only order items inside this category, yes, we'll do our best to get these items expedited out to you as quickly as possible. So I've got paper, I've got stencils, I've got dies, I've got stamps, I have a little bit of everything, and this is a very small assortment of what is available. This is just a sampling of what is available. So join me as I tilt on down, walk you through some Make It Monday, and hopefully it makes your heart happy. I know it's making my heart happy because, well, once I get this one done, I move on to my next, whatever's next on my to-do list. All right, you guys, it's good to see you. And I felt I just saw you. So down I go. Didn't even change my clothes to give you the appearance that maybe it was a different day. If you go back and look at last week's Make It Monday, yep, I look about the same. All right, so Studio Light. I have everything from paper pads, and this is a beautiful paper pad. Beautiful. Lots of goodness in there. Such pretty colors, and again, a very small sampling of what we've got going on. I've got 8 by 8. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh yeah. Oh, so pretty. It is all single-sided, But oh my gosh, the colors are amazing. It is limited. Some things we have literally one of, some things we have 20 of, and some things we might have maybe 30. Here we have got slimline paper, all in pastels. Here we've got slimline paper, kind of like this one. So it goes from, it's an ombre, all the colors are ombre, and it is double-sided. So you start with a white, so it's a white fade. Isn't that pretty? Let's see, pastel gradients. So this is going to, again, go from one color into another. Simple and basic and easy and just soft, very zen-like. And then we've got the white fade in the A5 size. All double-sided. And again, a very, very, very small assortment of what we have for you. And here you have pastel gradients. So slimline and A5. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. All on sale as part of our Make It Monday. So lots of paper for you to choose from. We have stencils for you to choose from. I did a YouTube on these. We have stencils for you to choose from. They look like they're layering stencils, but they are not. It actually is one stencil that gives you everything you need in one stencil to do the entire look. One stencil to do the entire look, and it gives you the 1, 2, 3, 4. It gives you the order that they need to be done in. And I did a YouTube on these, so I have stencils, and this is just a small assortment of the stencils that we have for you. I have dies, again, a small assortment. Dies going on by Studio Light. Now these you can use with shakers, and this is just a super pretty border. Isn't that beautiful? So we have Studio Light dies for you. We have Studio Light stamps for you. All different kinds, from the florals. We've got some of the grunge. That's the stamp. Isn't she beautiful? So all different types of stamps for you. We have our embossing folders that are a cut and emboss. So you're going to send these through your machine, and it's going to cut out the umbrella or cut out the leaves in the tree at the same time it's doing the embossing. So we have embossing folders that are cut and emboss for you. And then we have oodles of different shaker blisters. So if you're into shakers, holy smokes artichokes, do I have a wow, wow, wow for you. Those are the same, nope, small and large, they're different. Let's see if I can back up a little bit. So we have oodles of blister shakers for you. I think there's 10 pieces per set. I bet we even have some of the shaker elements that go inside of them. See, I think this one goes with that. So if you love shakers, now's a great opportunity to pick up the blisters very inexpensively. It is all about, well, for me today, it's all about getting everything done before I leave so that you have Make It Monday even while I'm gone. Lovely products from Studio Light, value priced for our Make It Monday. When they are gone, they are gone. There is no more coming in. This is what we have. Now, what I've shown you today is a very small assortment of what will be online. With any luck, it's already online. But remember, it's 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm doing the best I can. If you want to be sure that your items can expedite out to you, you just need to order everything out of the Make It Monday category. If you want to order additional items out of another category, perfectly fine. Just know your order will not expedite. We do our expedited orders downstairs, and those of you who have visited Scrapbooking Made Simple, you can attest to this. We're picking and packing and pulling orders as the store is slow. So we will take the studio light, we'll put it on a table, we'll take your orders if they qualify, and we'll pick them from downstairs. And if you have products from other categories, that makes it too hard for us to do them bing, bang, boom. We want to get them bing, bang, boom. So if you don't mind waiting just a little bit longer, then you can order as much as you want from whatever categories make your heart happy. Or if you want expedited on this, place your order for this, and then if there's other items, maybe you put in a separate order. All right, so everything should be online by now, fingers crossed. And I know this is quick, and I know it's not our typical Make It Monday, and I appreciate your allowing me to kind of change it up for these past 2 weeks so I can get everything else I need done. Tomorrow is our second Take Two Tuesday. It is our first make. Last week's Take Two Tuesday, I showed you my entire March collection of Sizzix, and tomorrow we make our first make with it, and I can't wait to share that with you as well. I will be back from Germany on before Thursday, so our next New For You Thursday, I'll be back and I don't have to pre-tape that. So I'm very excited. And then we'll have our Saturday with Stacy again. I'll be back. So we'll get back into the normal rhythm of everything. And I just want to thank you for your understanding and your commitment to letting me be me and letting it let me go with the flow, because my laundry list of things to do, including my laundry, is long before I leave. So I'm just trying to wrap everything up so when I get to Germany, I have my eye on the prize. And the prize is finding new, unique, fun, affordable, amazing, magical product for you. All right, you guys, it's me, Stacy. Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, with a slightly different Make It Monday. But once I'm back from Germany, we'll get back to what we're normally doing, which is a $19.99 bundle that usually has a retail value of between $80 and $100. We'll get back to it as soon as I get back. And then I make something with that bundle. So thank you for allowing me a little bit of extra time in my day to get everything else done. All right, from Germany, from Creative World, it's me, Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Bye, everybody.